Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Lucas here, and today I'll be reading I Have a Dream, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. I have a dream. I say to you today, my friends, that even though we face the difficulties of today and tomorrow, I still have a dream. It is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal. I have a dream that one day on the red hills of Georgia, the sons of former slaves and the sons of former slave owners will be able to sit down together at the table of brotherhood. I have a dream that one day even the state of Mississippi, a state sweltering with the heat of injustice, swelling with the heat of oppression, will be transformed into an oasis of freedom and justice. I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in the nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of your character. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day little black boys and black girls will be able to join hands, and little white boys and little white girls as sisters and brothers. I have a dream today. I have a dream that one day every valley shall be excited, and every hill and mountain shall be made low. The rough places will be made plain, and the crooked place will be made straight. And the glory of the Lord shall be revealed, and all flesh shall see it together. This is our hope. This is the faith that I go back in the south with. This is the faith we will be able to hew out of the mountains of desperate a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to transform the jangling chords of our nation into a beautiful symphony of brotherhood. With this faith, we will be able to work together, to pray together, to struggle together, to go to jail together, and stand up for freedom together, knowing that we will be free one day. This will be the day when all of God's children will be able to sing the new meaning, my country. 'Tis a sweet land of liberty, of sea I see, land where my father died, land of the pilgrim's pride. From every mountainside, let freedom ring. And if America is to be a great nation, this must become true. So let freedom reign from the prodigious hilltops of New Hampshire. Let freedom reign from the mighty mountains of New York. Let freedom reign from the high-ending Alleghenies of Pennsylvania. Let freedom reign from the snow-capped Rockies of Colorado. Let freedom reign from the curvish slopes of California. But not only that, let freedom reign from Stone Mountains of Georgia. Let freedom reign from Lookout Mountain of Tennessee. Let freedom reign from every hill and molehill of Mississippi. from every mountainside, let freedom reign. And when this happens, we will allow freedom to reign. When we let it rain from every village and every hamlet, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that one day when all God's children, black men and white men, Jewish and Gentiles, Protestant and Catholic, will be able to join hands and sing the words of the old Negro spiritual. Free at last, free at last. Thank God, Emily, we are free at last. I hope you enjoyed this book. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you. Bye.